Hello everyone! Today we are going to draw a strawberry-shaped ice cream with our teacher. Let's get started. First, draw a strawberry shape, which looks like a rounded triangle. After drawing the strawberry shape, draw a rectangular ice cream next to it. Make sure the ends of the rectangle are curved. Now let's complete the internal shapes. Inside the strawberry shape, draw a curved line. Draw the ice cream sticks at the bottom of both ice creams. Inside the strawberry ice cream, draw the cream shape using wavy lines. Draw 3 sets of wavy lines. For the rectangular ice cream, draw 2 long ovals inside the rectangle. Now that the drawing part is complete, let's move on to coloring. First, take a pink marker to outline and fill in the first area of the strawberry ice cream. Next, use a blue marker to fill in the second area. Use a dark blue marker to outline and fill in the third wavy line. Use a purple marker to draw small vertical lines at the bottom of the ice cream, filling it in an alternating pattern. Color the ice cream stick pink. For the second ice cream, use the pink marker to outline and fill in the edges and the ovals in the center, as well as the ice cream stick. Use a purple marker to deepen and outline its shape. Use a blue marker to dot the middle part of the strawberry ice cream. Use a dark blue marker to dot the last section. Use the pink marker to dot the top part. For the second ice cream, use the pink marker to fill in the center. Use a light blue marker to draw cold air around the ice cream, making it look cooler. And there you have it. Once these steps are complete, our entire ice cream drawing is finished. Great job, everyone! Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.